The budget-friendly OnePlus Nord smartphone arrives July 21. Here's what to expect. The OnePlus Nord figures to return OnePlus to its budget phone roots when it debuts his month with a sub $500 price, but there's more to be Nord than just a mid-range price. OnePlus Nord design and display. Rumors pointed to the OnePlus 8 Lite sporting a 6.4-inch panel and would be expect the OnePlus Nord to follow suit. While that's smaller than the 6.5-inch screen on the OnePlus 8, it's still plenty big for more people. You can also expect a 90Hz refresh rate for the screen. The most recent OnePlus Nord teaser video on Instagram briefly shows both the front and back of the handset. The back houses a vertical camera array in a narrow strip and a grey-blue color with the OnePlus logo at the bottom of the handset. The front appears to show a cutout of two selfie cameras as has been rumored, and the right side of the OnePlus Nord houses the power button, volume rocker and the alert switch. The OnePlus Nord will have Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G system on a chip that's mid-range chipset below the Snapdragon 865, but it still promises solid performance for most smartphone tasks as well as 5G connectivity. Opting for the chip would allow the OnePlus Nord to join the rank of 5G smartphones that cost less than $600, which is expected to grow as a 2020 goes on. It's also suggested the device will feature a 90Hz refresh rate display and 4300 mAh battery with 30-watt warp charging, which is in line with the OnePlus 8. The OnePlus Nord might have a similar camera setup to the OnePlus 8, which blends a 48-megapixel main camera with a 16-megapixel ultra-wide angle shooter and 2-megapixel micro lens. We now have confirmed that the Nord will come a 48-megapixel main shooter and a 8-megapixel ultra-wide one, a 2-megapixel sensor to assist the portrait and a 5-megapixel micro lens. And let's talk about front camera. A 32-megapixel main lens and a 8-megapixel secondary one for ultra-wide group selfies. Even though the Nord is not shipping yet, OnePlus has started taking a pre-orders. The first one happened July 1, was limited to 100 unit and immediately sold out. The second is due for July 8 with only 900 units available. A third pre-order window is scheduled for July 15.